Hello sir, this is Group Mekasa and this will be our video presentation. My name is Cheng Ping Jie and now I'll explain about the logo. So this is our logo preview of our final product. It's called Akasa and the logo is about our Chancellor. So to make the logo, first I take the picture of Chancellor and I trace it using the pen tool. This is the line I trace, then I mirror it to the right. Then I use pen tool to make the shape of the academic blocks, like here. Then again I mirror it to the right. Now I want to make the middle part, which I take from the logo of UTP logo. This, the symbol of UTP. Then I use pen tool again to make the background of the building. These two colors is the symbolic of UTP. To add extra clips to our logo, I add some line so that this relate to our storyboard. And lastly, I type the font Akasa, which means home in Roman language. This will be our final logo.
And moving on to the production of this advertisement video promoting UTP, we will begin by explaining on how we shot for the video footages. Two types of shooting are being applied, which are normal shot and drone shot. For normal shooting, we use iPhone 13 Pro Max with DJI Osmo Mobile SE as the stabilizer. This combination of devices allows us to produce high-resolution video footages without any sort of camera shaking. Under the category of normal shooting, multiple skills are utilized for the variety of footages. The first one is stationary shooting, in which the camera is placed stationary while covering the subject's body to make a simple transition. Side follow shot. We begin by setting the stabilizer to tilt lock mode for better stabilization. We then run with the subject and make sure the subject is in the center of the frame. Orbiting shot. For this one, we move the camera around the subject in a circular motion. Most important, ensure the subject is in the middle of the frame. Curvature shot. We move the camera around the subject in a curved motion, while also ensuring that the subject is in the middle of the frame. Pan shot. By moving the camera along horizontal axis without any tilting or any changing in angles of the camera. Close-up shot. Long press on the screen to turn off autofocus and activate lock focus on the subject at the center frame.
Next, proceed to drone shooting. Multiple drone tricks have been applied to get amazing footage. We used DJI Mini 2 to perform those tricks. Before explaining the tricks, let's know how the drone moves. The right stick is used to control it flying forward, backward, left, right on the same plane, while the left stick is used to control it moving left and right at center and control its altitude. Camera tilting is done using the slider on top left at the back of the controller. Now, move on to trick shot. Helix shot. Select the available preset on the drone menu by clicking Quick Shot, Helix, then highlight the subject on the screen, select orbiting radius and start recording. Orbiting shot, like helix shot, but done by using another preset called orbit. Forward reviewing shot. It can be done by pushing the right stick forward and slowly tilting the camera angle upward. Backward reviewing shot. Similar with forward reviewing shot, different is pushing the right stick backward. Downward tilting shot. Similar with forward reviewing shot, different is tilting the camera angle downwards. Forward shot. Push the right stick forward without changing the camera angle. Spin shot. Turn the camera angle 90 degrees downward, which completely face the ground. On the left stick, push it to the right of the left, and at the same time, push the left stick upward.
After the video shooting, we edited the video with several transitions, which are preset, masking, and speed ramp. To set preset transition, click the white box between two clips and then select the appropriate transition present. This step is applied at the time of 0.17, 0.29, and 1.25. Next, we apply different masking transition at the different time in the video. At 0.01, we apply the masking transition by selecting the clip and then click Cutout. Then highlight UTP signboard in the clip and click Done. Lastly, set the keyframe where the mask will reveal the video behind which is the footage of UTP entrance. Meanwhile, at 0.25 and 1.12, we use a similar method. Firstly, select the first clip and click Overlay to make an overlay clip. On the overlay clip, click Mask, which is used to reveal the overlay clip. Then bring the mask line to the left. Add a keyframe and adjust the mask line according to the pole line. Besides, at 0.49, we also apply masking transition by selecting the first clip. Click Copy to make a copy of it. Then click Cutout and select Customize Cutout to highlight the part that need to be kept. Click Done after highlighting and then add a keyframe to the mask line to reveal the next shot. Lastly, we have applied a speed ramp, a fast transition effect at 0.53. To do so, select the first clip and click Speed. Select Curve and set the speed at the end of the clip. It should move from 1 time to 4 times, then 8 times. To the next clip, repeat the same step, but the speed curve should move from 8 times to 4 times, then back to 1 time. In the video, we also use normal transition that just immediately change to the next clip without any effects. This is useful when following a fast beat in the music.
Thank you, Joyce. After transition is done, we follow by color adjustment or color grading. To refine the video, we have applied a color preset called green-orange to all the clips by selecting the desired clip and click Filter, followed by choosing the color preset called green-orange under the movie selection. However, some clips still look different after applying the same color preset, which caused by different level of light exposure during the recording. To adjust the color to look the same, select the clip and click Adjust, then adjust until the color looks the same.
Alright, now I will walk through the adjustment made in the video. Whether you want to add clips, trim, add logos, text, or apply animation, you have got you covered. So let's see. So the first one is you need to input the video on the timeline. Click the plus button on the right side of the screen, then choose the desired video and then click Add. Okay, alright. After that, once the video is added, it could be trimmed by selecting the video clips and drag the slider on the left and right ends of the clips to trim the video. Alternatively, you can select the video clips and drag the middle to the part you want to trim. Next, click the split button to split it into 2 segments and then delete the unwanted segment. Okay. Next one, to add a logo into the video, we just click the overlay option, then select the add overlay and choose the logo from your gallery, and then once selected, drag the logo onto the timeline and adjust its position and the size also. Alright, next one, for adding the text into the video, just click on the text option and then select the add text type in your desired text and choose the desired font, and then just adjust the position and size of the text as needed. If you want to set the text appearing timing, drag the slider on the timeline to set the timing accordingly. So the next one, if you want to add an animation effect to a clip, click on the desired clip and then click on the animation option, choose out and then select fade out. Okay, then adjust the duration of the fade out effect by changing the time to 4 seconds. Yeah. So once you finish editing your video, you may export it by clicking on the second button at the top right corner of the screen. So just click here and then choose the desired resolution, frame rate, and bitrate setting, and finally click the arrow button on the top right to start the export process. Yeah, that's all for the explanation for the video adjustment. So thank you.